Hi viewers, welcome back to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make cake in oven by using Weikfield oven cake mix vanilla flavor. Let's start the procedure. Empty the contents of the pack. Now take a bowl. Now empty the contents of the pack. First add 120 ml of water. ,40 ml of vegetable oil and 2 eggs. Now mix it well without lumps. Batter is ready. Now take a pan and grease the oil or keep a butter paper. Now pour the batter. Now preheat the micro oven at 170 degrees centigrade. Click on convection button until it reach 170 degrees. Click on start button. Preheat option is blinking, that means oven is started to preheat. Let's wait for 2 to 5 minutes. Preheat blinking is stopped, that means oven is successfully preheated. Place the pan in micro oven. Now set the timer for 40 minutes. Now click the start button. Wait for 40 minutes. Cake baking is completed. Take the pan and cool down it for half an hour. After cool down, now transfer the cake in another plate. Now remove the butter paper. Cake is ready. Now garnish the cake with cream and cherries. Now apply the cream on it. Now cut and eat it. Thank you for visiting Trendy Output YouTube channel.